does my fish do? What do you do? He swims, he swims, swims, he swims. Oh, I've got a fish and he swims. I've got a dog and he barks. I've got a cat and he meows a lot. Now I've got a hamster, a golden hamster, and what does my hamster do? Well, most of the time she sleeps, but sometimes the hamster goes round and round. Her legs go up and down. I've got a fish and he swims. I've got a dog and he barks. I've got a cat and he meows a lot. Now I've got a rabbit, a little white rabbit, and what does my rabbit do? What do you do? Well, he hops, he hops, he hops, he hops. Oh, I've got a rabbit and he hops, and the hamster goes round and round. Her legs go up and down. I've got a fish and he swims. I've got a dog and he barks. I've got a cat and he meows. And he wiggles his nose. And he drinks his milk. And he purrs. But most of all, he meows a lot. Meow. Lots of pet animals. Oh, look! It's Mr. Tumble! Mr. Tumble! Mr. Tumble!
Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, hello!
What's inside your bag, Mr. Tumble?
Ooh. Pet animals!
Can we see them?
Yes! Ah.
What's that, Mr. Tumble?
Tortoise!
A tortoise, Mr. Tumble.
Yes, a tortoise!
He's a very nice pet.
Thank you!
What else is in the bag? What's that, Mr. Tumble?
A guinea pig!
A guinea pig?
Yes, a guinea pig!
What a very nice pet.
Thank you!
What else is in the bag, Mr. Tumble?
Look! A mouse!
A mouse, Mr. Tumble?
Yes, a mouse!
Give it a stroke, Mr. Tumble.
Ooh.
Oh dear, Mr. Tumble. Does that mouse tickle, Mr. Tumble?
Yes!
Oh, where's he gone, Mr. Tumble?
Ooh. Phew.
Oh, good, you found it, Mr. Tumble.
Yes!
See you later, Mr. Tumble.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Mr. Tumble.
Bye-bye, Mr. Tumble. Ah, these are my friends. They went to a pet shop. Look, this is Otto the dog.
Delicious.
What are Zach and Vinny getting for Otto?
Vinny's turn. Thank you, Vinny.
Some biscuits.
Lovely.